Ready to transform your space? Today, we'll show you how to install Wilsonart laminate sheets like a pro. Let's get started. You'll need contact adhesive, a metal ruler, sharp cutter, roller, and of course, your Wilsonart laminate sheet. First, measure the surface and mark your laminate sheet, leaving a small overhang. Use a metal ruler for clean, straight cuts. Apply contact adhesive to both the laminate and the base surface. Wait about 15 minutes until it's dry to the touch. Carefully align the laminate and press with the roller from center outward. Trim the edges carefully with your cutter. And that's it! Your Wilsonart laminate is installed like a pro. Subscribe for more how-to videos and visit Plaiwoo.com to shop everything for your next renovation. Until next time!